Woo, let's get this show on the road. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Takeshi Aquatics. And yes, today I have another unboxing. Who would have guessed? That's pretty much all I do on this channel. And you know, I think I should change that up just a little bit. But for now, we have to unbox 42 fish. 42 fish is not that much, but it's not little either. First of all, big shout out to Tucky for always helping me out. Thank you so much, you and your fam. Also, thank you very much to my Indonesia broker and my Thailand broker. All amazing people. Also, thank you very much to all the Takeshi Aquatics customers who trust me with their fish. Other than that, let's get started. And the first thing I want to show you is in this bag over here, there's no box. Yes, it was inspected by the Department of Ag. The box was damaged, so I had to take the plastic bag out, which is great, and leave the box or throw the box away and just put it here. I didn't get a chance to look at the fish yet. I don't know if there's any DOAs. Hopefully there isn't. All right, so here we go. This is going to be super exciting. I see a lot of blue bags up here, and so I'm just going to open these blue bags up first and see what we got. All right, this is awesome. Okay, so the bag doesn't have too much air in it, but you know, it'll do. Let's see what we have here. First up, what's in here? Ooh, hey, this is a nice one. She's pretty. Okay, so we have a Medaka. I think this was a Kohaku. Is it on the bag? No, it's a Kohaku star something. I forget. I think I'll put it in the video description. But let's try this test under the light. There we go. That looks a little better. How's that look, guys? There we go. That's the Medaka. Beautiful fish. Let me brighten the air up just a little bit here. And there we have it. All right, cool. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking with gas. This is another Medaka, the same strain. This is called the Medaka Star Rush. All right, check it out under the light. Manual focus that guy in there. Can you see it? Because I can't. Is it even focusing on the fish? Where is the fish? Okay, super exciting. 2 down and 40 to go. All right, let's get crack-a-lacking because we don't need any DOAs in here. You see how that bag just pops? I love that. Kind of like opening up a soda can. That's how you know there's a lot of air in there. A lot of air is good for fish. What do we have here today? Woo! All right, this isn't really a rare fish. You don't really see too much of these, you know, at your pet stores. But this is a female or male. Can't remember which one. Let me see. Is this a male or female? These are jumpers. This looks like a male embellis. It's not gonna look very nice because it loses its color during shipping. So that's normal, okay? So just to let you guys know, in case you're like, ooh, his fish are ugly, this is normal, okay? Now that you can see it in focus, you can see how not so good. Can I even go closer? Is that possible? How close can I get? Maybe over there? Yeah, maybe over there. Dun dun dun. What? Another Medaka? How'd that happen? I don't remember ordering 3 Medakas. Hey, maybe I got an extra one. That's cool. Here you go. Medaka. This again is the Star Rush Medaka. Looking good. Looking good. I hope it's in focus. Oh, boy. I love when the water shoots out like that. That was the first time that happened. Woohoo! Wow, this is nice. Whoa. Dude, again, it doesn't have color, but there's a reason for that. Shipping, okay? Anybody tells you otherwise, they're lying. This fish came from Thailand. So I went from Thailand to the mainland, US mainland, and then to Hawaii. That's a lot of traveling, but check this fish out. Look at this. Beaut. Look at this beauty of a fish. Look at those fins. This is a wild betta. And then look how healthy it is. Amazing. I'm excited. I'm really, can't wait to see what this looks like after it colors up. But we got another blue bag, so that's always good. And I know this thing is gonna shoot water or something. Oh, love it. I love it when there's a lot of air, you know. Water is important because it helps dissipate the ammonia, but air, man, fishes need to breathe. Wow. All right, I'm gonna guess this is the embellis. Again, no color. I won't know until later. It's a beautiful one. Look at that. Look at it. Get on, another blue bag. Gotta love them blue bags. Gotta get on with it. What is this? All right. Woo-hoo. Wow, these are super nice, man. This gotta be the embellis. Gotta be. Look at that. And I'm gonna hold this container a little bit better now. A little bit better. Pun intended. A little bit better. Hope you guys can see it because it looks cool. All right. Next, 2 more blue bags. Ooh, look at all that water. Whoa, whoa, it's like carbonation in here or something. I love it. Absolutely awesome. What's in it? Woohoo! Wow, these are very nice. Very, very nice. Nicer than the ones before, I will say. I will say. Check it out. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. 9. I think we got 2 more. I think we got 2 more. Love it. Oh, look at it. Oh man, I don't even know which ones these are. This is either the embellis or the samakanagata. And I'm gonna have to wait till they color up so it's easier to identify. Once they color up, they're gonna be so much easier to identify for sure. If you guys are wondering why the water is blue, it's likely, I don't know for sure, but it's likely not meth, sorry. Sorry YouTube, don't ban me. It's likely methylene blue. Methylene, you know, the antiseptic, whatever, methylene blue, often used for transport so that, you know, the fish don't get infection if they get stressed out. Ooh, another blue bag. Just don't want the water to go on my face. What is in here? You know what guys, you guys are probably bored by now because you're seeing the same fish over and over again. Maybe I might speed up this video. Or you have this thing called a mouse that you can just scrub through the video and you can just move ahead forward if you want. Once you see this fish change from these types of wild bettas, then you know you can move on from there. Oh, another medaka. Did I buy 2 of the same one? This looks to be like maybe the female or something. Where is it? Did it disappear? Okay, we have another, what? That's it, that's all I got. Oh, now for the good stuff. This is what I've been waiting for. Ooh, this is the one. Oh, what is this? See-through ribbon fin. I don't know what that means, but this is the one I was waiting for. I'm just gonna say it. These are guppies, in case you don't know. And they come packaged like this. These guppies are so rare. They're so hard to find. And when you do find them, they're so expensive. I saw a seller selling these for $120 a pair. I didn't get it for that much here, but I saw it for that much and I was like, what? That's crazy. But yeah, that's how much they go for and it's sick. Okay, let's see. This is pretty cool because I got like this thing over here that I can open up just like this, maybe. Oh, there you go. Woohoo! I don't have to cut it. Probably easier to cut though. Dump that in here. You guys are gonna trip out. See-through snakeskin ribbon guppy. That's right. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful guppy. Even more beautiful after these guys are acclimated and quarantined. Nobody is on the island that's got it that I know of. There might be some. So first we saw blue water, now we're seeing yellow water. Yellow water, not the same kind of chemical or antiseptic, but the same purpose. It's an antiseptic type of medication, or it's not really considered a medication. It's just more for, you know, to help the fish, you know, fight off any kind of sicknesses that it might occur during the stress that they get during shipping. So a lot of times you'll see it just like that. This is the male version of this guppy here. Again, the same one. This whole bag is going to be the snakeskin, one. Rare fish. Look at that. Look how nice it is. And again, if it's this nice fish, any fish that is super nice after shipping, you know it's going to be even more beautiful in a few days after they acclimate. They're very small though, but you know, this is another blue tail ribbon, albino. A lot of people ask me, how do you know if a fish is albino or a real albino? A lot of people get tricked into think it's an albino and it's not. It's very easy. All you have to do is look at the eyes. The eyes are red, they're albino. That's all you got to do. Ooh. Well, this is a male for sure. So this one must be a female. All right, I just got to get them out of these bags because if they do have ammonia burn, we are going to have a problem. I don't think there is ammonia burn. I mean, there's no poop or anything in here, so I can't see how there is any ammonia. Oh, this thing almost looks pink or something. That's interesting, huh? I don't see any blue on this. Oh, there, I see blue when the light hits it. I see the blue. Super cool looking. I like it. I like it, Picasso. This is a female, I'm sure. Same species, same strain, and I gotta get a better scissors. This is probably the female. Nope, this looks like another male. How many of these did I buy? Only 2, right? I don't know, this might be the female. What do you guys think? Female? Male? What does it say in the bag? I lost the bag. I mean, technically speaking. Yeah, I mean, this does look like a male, but I mean, it might be a female. I don't know. But there's a hair in there too. Bonus. How many times are you going to buy a fish and there's a piece of hair in there? A piece of DNA. That's bonus. As long as it's not short and curly. I am not gonna complain when the fish are alive. So far, 1 DOA. That's not too bad, considering this year has been DOA city. All right, looks like I'm gonna say this is a female, even though it looks like a male to me. And I'm afraid of this thing here. Wow, there's a ton of fish in here. All right, so what do we have here? This is a Dumbo Mosaic. All right, all fish from Thailand. Easy now because, you know, Indonesia didn't come in. Okay, obviously female. And the reason why I love these kinds of females is they're big. Big females means they poop a lot of babies. So I like that. Okay, what's next? Next is, ooh, wow. Dumbo male mosaic. Gotta love it. Absolutely amazing. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. Super cool. Female Dumbo mosaic. And the bags are wet, so I think one leaked. Sometimes I'll get fish and they will give birth in the bag, which I think is pretty cool. Male Dumbo Mosaic. I think I only bought 2 trios of this. Ooh, wow. I mean, I just love Dumbos, just like Bettas. You know, the Dumbo Bettas. They're just so majestic when they swim because of their pectoral fins. It's just so nice. Yes, I do ship to our neighbor islands and to the mainland. If, however, your state requires a permit, you're gonna need a permit. If you're in the neighbor islands, you don't have to worry because I just have to get it certified by the Department of Ag before I ship it to you, and then it's good to go. And I ship UPS next day air. Wow, it's a nice female Dumbo Mosaic. Same thing, female Dumbo Mosaic. And that would be it. 2 trios worth of this. Always quality. Wow. All right, so, oh, there's some more too. I didn't realize that. Albino Full Red. I really needed this one because I sold out. There was only 1 trio left though. This is the male. As beautiful as the ones I had when I sold them. Always quality, gotta love it. Look at that beautiful male. Beautiful. Albino Full Red female. Woohoo! I love the albino Full Reds. They're so pretty. They really brighten up the tank. And look at that. That's the female. Isn't that beautiful for a female? Like seriously. This is a albino Full Red female. Lots of water. Very nice. Yellow Tiger Half Moon. These are beautiful, super nice, especially when you have a lot of them. Hey, why isn't the bag opening? What is your problemo? There we go. Yellow Tiger Half Moon. Very, very pretty. Is it the reflection? Is the reflection blocking the view? I don't know. Yellow Tiger Male. I love the tiger males, man. They got like this like pattern on their body. Super cool looking. Here, let me show you. I don't know about this one since he's been traveling. Look at that beautiful male. Yellow Tiger female. All right, beautiful female. Check that out. Green dragon. All right, this is what I've been waiting for. But this is the female green dragon. I've been waiting for this. I wanted to see what this was all about. What is the hype about this? Look at that. Can't wait to see what these guys look like after they quarantine for a couple days. Female green dragon. Female green dragon again. Ooh, she's really nice. Super healthy. Hard to see because it's yellow, but that's fine. Look at that. Beautiful green dragon female. Green dragon female again. Ooh, I like this one because this one has a big body. Big body means more eggs. More eggs mean more. Look at that. Beautiful green dragon. Can't wait to see the males. I want to see, bruh, this is, wow. Check this out. Green dragon. Wow. That's all I'm gonna say. Holy moly. Look at that. Green dragon male. Beautiful. Holy moly. Are you kidding me right now? Look at that. And it lost its color. So imagine when it colors up. Crazy, crazy. This is a, oh, here's the second male. Here's the second green dragon male. Okay, poke. My goodness, my goodness. You know, you don't often see green fish. Green bettas a lot of times are fake. Any green fish a lot of times are kind of fake. Well, or it's not that green, I should say. Come on, you can, whoa. Don't hit the camera, please. Look at that. Super cool. Okay, do we have any more? Oh, we do. We have one more. This is a green dragon female. And that should be the last fish of the day until tomorrow, which the video probably won't be released until a week or two from now because of the algorithm. Check this out. Yeah, the female is not as impressive. Okay, anything else? The bags are empty. Yes, sir. Thank you, thank you. So we only had one DOA. I hope you guys don't see any more fish in here or else I would feel really bad. All right, well, thank you very much again for stopping by and watching this unboxing video with me. Of course, just like I said before, I do these unboxing videos mainly because I want to show, well, I kind of have to video me unboxing the fish so I can show the seller whether or not the fish came in DOA. I'm happy, and yeah. Until the next one, thank you very much for watching. Oh, and watch this. Watch the little subscribe button if you're looking on the computer. Subscribe. Look at that. It kind of just like, you know, flashes or whatever. Subscribe. Maybe hit the like button or share. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Again, I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you in the next one. All right.